Understanding Eyes Glaze Over, a guide to English idioms. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, eyes glaze over. This idiom is commonly used in English conversations, and understanding it will not only enhance your vocabulary but also help you grasp the nuances of English communication. The phrase, eyes glaze over, is an idiom that describes a situation where someone becomes bored or disinterested in what they are listening to or watching. It's not a literal term. Instead, it paints a picture of someone's eyes appearing dull or unfocused due to lack of interest or understanding. It's often used when someone is exposed to overly complex, uninteresting, or monotonous information. Let's see how this phrase is used in different contexts. 1. In a meeting, during the long presentation, I noticed everyone's eyes glazing over. 2. In education, if the lecture is too technical, you might see students' eyes glaze over. 3. In everyday conversation, when I start talking about my stamp collection, my friend's eyes glaze over. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various scenarios to express the idea that someone is losing interest. The idiom, eyes glaze over, is believed to originate from the physical appearance of someone who is not focused. When people are bored or disengaged, their eyes can appear glassy or unfocused, which is where the term glaze comes in. It's a metaphorical way to describe this lack of engagement. Understanding synonyms can help you better grasp the meaning and use of eyes glaze over. Here are a few: zone out, tune out, daydreaming, lost in thought. All these phrases convey a similar sense of disengagement or lack of attention. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and usage of the phrase, eyes glaze over. Remember, idioms like these are a key part of mastering the English language, adding color and depth to your communication. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.